What are you watching? A celebrity game show? Who'd want to watch that?
Not me. I was doing your diary when it came on.
And entering the jungle this week, it's TV presenter Bobbles Smithsonian.
Oh, Bobbles. The jungle.
Bobbles is a journalist and presenter who has hosted over 11,000 episodes of TV, all filmed by her loyal camera bud.
Hello, decantants. And hello, viewers.
And Bobbles' task is singing a song to attract enough squeaky grubs for tonight's dinner. Those little fellas love a good tune.
I didn't know Bobbles could sing.
We got that walk. So let the music take control. We know you feel the beat, 'cause we got what you need. Oh, we got what you need.
Stop! Terrible singing. The squeaky grubs have run off. And I'm afraid the public have voted. You're rubbish, Bobbles Smithsonian. Get out of the jungle!